Basic shopping vocabulary. As a language learner, familiarizing yourself with basic shopping terms is the first step to becoming comfortable in various shopping environments. These terms form the foundation of most shopping-related conversations, whether you're in a supermarket, a clothing store, or shopping online. Knowing these terms will help you navigate the shopping world with greater confidence and ease. Retailer. A company or person that sells goods to consumers. Customer. Someone who buys products or services from a store or business. Purchase. To buy something. The act of buying. Receipt. A document given to the customer, showing the details of a transaction. Sale. A special event where items are sold at reduced prices. Discount. A reduction in the price of an item or service. Refund. Money returned to a customer for a returned product. Exchange. To swap an item for another, usually in the context of returning goods. Warranty. A guarantee about the quality of a product and the promise of repair or replacement. Checkout. The place or process where you pay for your items in a store. Apparel and accessories shopping vocabulary. Fitting room. A private area in a store to try on clothes. Size. The measurement that indicates how large or small an item of clothing is. Fashion. The current trend or style in clothing and accessories. Designer. A person who creates styles and trends in fashion. Outfit. A set of clothes worn together, often for a specific occasion. Clearance. Sale items marked for final sale to clear inventory. Tailor. A person who alters clothes to fit better. Accessory. An item worn with clothes, like jewelry or belts, to complete a look. Casual. A style of clothing meant for informal settings. Formal. Clothing suitable for formal or special occasions. Grocery shopping vocabulary. Aisle. A passageway between shelves in a store. Organic. Food produced without synthetic pesticides or fertilizers. Cart. A wheeled basket used to carry groceries while shopping. Frozen section. Area in a grocery store with frozen food items. Produce. The section of a store that sells fresh fruits and vegetables. Deli. A section where fresh meats, cheese, and prepared foods are sold. Checkout line. The line or queue at the checkout area. Cashier. The person who rings up and charges for your purchases. Bagging area. Where you pack your purchased items into bags. Home and kitchenware shopping vocabulary. Furniture. Large movable items like tables and chairs used to make a space suitable for living or working. Utensils. Tools used in the kitchen for preparing and eating food, like spoons and knives. Appliance. A device, often electrical, used for a specific task in the home, like a refrigerator. Decor. Items used to beautify a space, such as paintings or vases. Bedding. Materials used to make a bed comfortable, like sheets and blankets. Curtains. Fabric hung over windows for privacy or decoration. Crockery. Plates, dishes, cups, and other ceramic or glass tableware. Cookware. Pots, pans, and other items used for cooking. Storage. Solutions for organizing items, like shelves and cabinets. Lighting. Devices for providing light, like lamps and ceiling lights. Book and stationery shopping vocabulary. Novel. A lengthy fictional work, often telling a narrative story. Textbook. A book containing detailed information on a particular subject, used for study. Journal. A personal diary, or a professional magazine on a specific subject. Pen. A writing instrument using ink. Notebook. A book of blank, or lined pages for writing notes. Highlighter. A fluorescent pen used to mark important text. Binder. A cover holding loose papers together with rings or clips. Stationery. Writing materials, like paper and envelopes. Sketchbook. A book with blank pages for drawing. Calculator. An electronic or manual device for performing mathematical calculations. Health and beauty shopping vocabulary. Cosmetics. Products applied to the face or body to enhance beauty, like makeup. Skincare. Products specifically designed for caring for the skin, like moisturizers. Fragrance. A pleasant-smelling liquid typically applied to the body, like perfume or cologne. Supplement. A product taken orally to add nutrients or compounds to one's diet. Pharmacy. A store or section within a store where medicinal drugs are sold. Vitamin. A natural compound necessary for health, often taken as a supplement. Shampoo. A hair care product used for cleaning hair. Conditioner. A hair care product used to improve hair's health and manageability. Dermatology. The branch of medicine concerned with the skin, used often to refer to skincare products. Thank you for watching Miss English.